Understanding face recognition using Python with machine learning. In the realm of artificial intelligence, face recognition stands out as a remarkable achievement, allowing machines to identify individuals from images or videos. This technology employs a series of algorithms that analyze facial features to recognize and categorize different faces. Initiating a face recognition project in Python offers an engaging entry into the world of machine learning, combining programming skills with a fascinating application of AI. The first element of your face recognition project involves acquiring and preparing the dataset. This data might consist of images of various individuals, collected from public databases or through personal captures. Attention to quality is vital, as the accuracy of recognition hinges on having clear and diverse examples of faces. Utilizing libraries such as OpenCV or dlib allows for efficient handling of images, enabling tasks like resizing and augmentation so that images conform to desired dimensions and formats, preparing them for subsequent analysis. After preparing the dataset, the next step is feature extraction. This is where machine learning shines, employing algorithms to derive meaningful patterns from the images. Utilizing techniques like histogram of oriented gradients, HOG, or deep learning models like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, can significantly enhance the ability to distinguish between unique facial features. The model learns from these distinctive patterns, allowing it to recognize and differentiate faces in real-time situations during the application phase. Once the feature extraction is accomplished, the next phase is training the machine learning model. By leveraging libraries such as TensorFlow or PyTorch, you can train your model using the processed images. During this process, the model adjusts its parameters to minimize the error in recognizing the faces. A well-balanced training regimen ensures that the model generalizes well to new, unseen data, crucial for making effective predictions in real-world applications. After successfully training the model, the inevitable test phase comes into play. This involves evaluating the model's accuracy by feeding it new images and measuring its performance. Metrics such as precision, recall, and F1 score come into play, providing insight into the model's effectiveness at face recognition. Further refinements may be necessary based on this evaluation to enhance the model's reliability and performance. Finally, deploying your face recognition project allows you to witness the culmination of hard work. This deployment could be in the form of a web app or mobile application that integrates the trained model, allowing users to upload images for recognition. With robust testing, user interaction, and a user-friendly interface, the possibilities for applications, from security to personalized experiences, become expansive and transformative.